ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Okay, you can repeat after me. Ayun riluk eong ay ouch ayavarat lan nyamanganadam jabhai ghadadash jabagadash khapachathatha chatatau kapai shashasar hal. Okay, this is called a Mageshwara Sutra. We will see what it is later. Now please type your name in the chat box. We will read the lesson. Please type your name in the chat box. Okay, just a quick summary of what we saw in the last class. If you recall, last class introduced pronoun, demonstrative pronoun as well as interrogative pronoun, only for Pullinga. We saw this interrogative demonstrative pronoun idam. Idam is makarantaha pullingaha idam shabdaha. Okay, you can all unmute your mic and repeat after me. Makarantaha pullingaha idam shabdaha.
Makarantaha pullingaha idam shabdaha.
Ayam imau ime.
Ayam imau me.
Then dakarantaha pullingaha etad shabdaha.
Dakarantaha pullingaha etad shabdaha.
Eshaha etau ete. Remember this, both the shabda idam and etat only pratama vibhakti, first case. Then interrogative pronoun makarantaha pullingaha kim shabdaha.
Makarantaha pullingaha kim shabdaha.
Kaha kau ke.
Kaha kauke.
So you know the meaning of kaha kauke. Then we will read from this. Shruti ji, you can read. Others can mute the mic. You know the meaning of Yeshaha. Yeshaha is, what is meaning of Yeshaha? This. And its pratipadikam is etad. Dakarantaha pullingaha etad shabdaha. Just now we saw, we chanted. So Yeshaha is pratama vibhaktihi ekavachanam. Yeshaha meaning this. You can read.
Eshaha kaha. Who is this? Eshaha Ganeshaha. This is Ganesha.
Yeshaha can also mean what, who or what, depending on what it is. If it is a person, we translate it as who is this. Suppose if it is an object, then we translate it as what is this. Yeshaha kaha. Suppose Yeshaha kaha. Yeshaha vrikshaha, when we say, what is this? This is a tree. Vriksha is pullinga. But when we translate into English, we use what? Because in English, the gender discrimination is there based on the meaning. But in Sanskritam, it is not like that, right? So Yeshaha can mean this, and this could be any linga. This could be, that could be in terms of English, I'm saying, to denote a masculine or a neuter, we use the word this, but in Sanskritam, we have a separate word for that. And therefore, the translation is Yeshaha kaha. Kaha could be what or who, right? Yeshaha kaha, Yeshaha Ganeshaha, Yeshaha kaha, Yeshaha vrikshaha. What is this? This is a tree. Okay, next person. Priyaji, you can read the next one.
Yes. Eshaha kaha. Who is this? Eshaha Shauchikaha.
Sauchikaha, tailor. Okay, you can remember the words. You develop your vocabulary. So slowly you need to develop the vocabulary. Sauchika is tailor. Sauchika, what is its pratipadikam? Sauchikaha is there. Pratipadikam will be, pratipadikam is noun base.
Sauchika.
Sauchika. Akarantaha pullingaha.
Pullingaha.
Sauchika.
Shauchika shabdaha.
Sauchika means tailor. It's a akara, it's a pullinga. That is why the question is Eshaha kaha. Suppose if tailor is strilinga, then we will not ask Eshaha kaha. We will ask something differently, depending on the gender. Sauchika meaning tailor. And Sauchika is a pullinga shabda. Therefore, the question will begin pullinga. Yeshaha is pullinga, right? And kaha is also pullinga. Strilinga, it will be different. Don't worry, we have not seen Strilinga and Napumsakalinga. We'll be seeing it later.
And why we are not using IMG? Even IM is this, right?
You can use IM already, we have seen in the previous class. This is example for Yeshaha.
Oh, okay. Okay.
The previous lesson, this was using the word IM. Already we have seen. Now we are seeing Yeshaha.
Okay.
Eshaha. Yeah. Next person, Jyoti ji, you can read the next one. Jyoti ji, can unmute your mic and read the next one.
Eshaha kaha. What is this? Eshaha Durbhashaha. This is telephone.
Durabhashaha, not Durbhashaha.
Durabhashaha.
Yeah. Durabhashaha. Telephone is neuter, therefore, what is this? The translation is, what is this? Next person, Kausalya ji, you can read the next line.
Eshaha balakaha.
What is the question will be?
Eshaha kaha.
Okay. Continue.
Eshaha kaha. Eshaha naraha. Eshaha kaha. Eshaha balaha. Eshaha kaha. Eshah Simha.
You know all the meaning of the words, right? Balakaha, boy. Naraha, human being. It's a man. Naraha means man. Human being, man or woman. Naraha is in general, generally we say man. Nari becomes Strilinga, that is woman. Balaha, boy. Balakaha also boy. Balaha also boy. Sinhaha, it is lion. So the word, the noun form yeshaha, meaning this, it is masculine gender. It is used to denote all things or beings which are masculine. Okay. Then we are going to use the emo. What is emo? Can anyone say what is emo?
These two.
Dual.
Dual form of dual form.
Dvivachana.
Idam.
Idam.
Idam shabda. It's good. It is idam. Idam is a pratipadika. Not etad. This idam. Ayam we saw, right? Ayam we saw in the beginning, the last class. Then after that we saw yeshaha. Now we are saying imo. That is ayam imo. That imo we are saying now. So ekavachanam we will see for both ayam and idam and etad. Then dvivachanam for idam and etad. Then bhagavachanam for idam and etad. In that order we are seeing, right?
Okay. Okay. Guruji.
Now, idam shabdasya pratama vibhakti dvivachana rupam is imau. These two. Rambabaji, you can read.
Yamau Balau. Yamau Devau.
So you understand the meaning. Imau baro. These two are boys. These two are gods. So that which is in bracket you can see. 1, 2 means pratama vibhakti dvivachanam.
Dvivachanam.
And the pratipadikam is ayam. So the dual form of idam is imau. Imau is used to denote dual form of things and beings. To denote two students, for example, we have the expression imau chatrau. Chatra means student. These are two students, or these two are students. Anyway, you can do the translation. Then the next person can read. Lataji can read.
Yes, Guruji. Imau Shikshakau.
Meaning is shikshaka is teacher. You can note down the meaning of the words. Shikshaka is teacher, male teacher. Okay. If it is female teacher, we have different word. Shikshika. Shikshaka means teacher, male teacher. Imau shikshakau. Imau is ayam imau. So dual. And shikshakau also, it's a dual.
Two
Shikshaka, two teacher.
Two teachers.
The next one is imau.
Imau Chatrau. Two students.
Chatro is there. So pratipadikam will be chatra.
Chatra.
Okay. Next one.
Imau
Chatra.
Imau Balakau.
These two are boys. So balaka is the pratipadikam.
Pratipadikam.
Next one.
Imau Vanarau.
Yes, these two are
Vanara Pratipadikam.
Vanara is the these are monkeys.
Two.
Okay. Next person can read. Jayshriji. We are using the word now. Etau. What is it? See the order. Ayam we saw. Then Eshaha we saw. Then Imo we saw. Now Etau. So dual form of both shabda. That is idam as well as etad. This is etad. Good. You can read. You can read, Yeshiji. Are you there? Your mic is on mute, I think.
Etau cow. What are they two? Etau ashwau. These two are horses.
Horses.
Etau cow. What are they two? Etau gajau. These two are elephants.
Okay, good. The next person, Manoharji, you can read the next two.
Hari Om Guruji. Etau cow. Who are they two? Etau balakau. These two boys.
These are two boys or these two boys?
These are two boys. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Etau cow. What are they two? Etau siu tau. These are two bags.
Syuta is bag. Okay.
Yeah.
It's, bag is a pullinga.
Correct.
Syutaha, syutau, syutaha. Okay.
Syuta, syutau, syutah.
Yes. So these two are bags. Okay, bag is here. So the noun form etau is masculine dual. Okay. Next person can read Nalini ji. You can read the all the sentences. You can unmute your mic and read.
Etau Vyadyau
Vyagrau.
Vyagyau
Vyagra.
Vyagrau.
Yes. Vyagra is
Tiger.
tiger. So Vyagra, these two are tigers. Vyagraha, Vyagrau, Vyagraha. Okay.
Etau Gajau.
Hmm.
These two are elephants.
Yeah.
Etau Nrupau.
Yes. King. Nripa is Raja. King. Nripaha,
Etau Nrupau. These
Nripau.
two are
Kings.
Etau Vrikshau. These two are trees.
Trees. Good. Now the next one is Ime. What is Ime, Shrutiji? What is Ime?
Ime means Bahuvachan.
Bhagavachanam. These. Pratipadikam is
These
Idam.
Idam.
Idam Shabda. Okay. You can read the sentence.
Ime Hamsaha.
Ime Hamsaha. You see, Ime is Bhagavachanam and Hamsaha must also be Bhagavachanam.
Bahuvachan.
Right? These are swans. Continue. Continue reading the next one also.
Ime Vruddhaha. These are
Old men.
old men.
Vriddha is Pullinga. All these are men. Therefore, Vriddhaha. If it is Strilinga, it will be different. Ime is also Pullinga. It is Atama Bhakti Bhagavachanam. Ime, these. Vriddhaha. Vriddhaha, Vriddho, Vriddhaha. That is also Pullinga Bhagavachanam. So, Linga must match and Vachanam must match. And also Vibhakti must match. Three things you need to remember. Ime Vriddhaha, when you say, the sentence says they are all same Vibhakti, same Vachanam,
Same Vachanam.
same Linga. Right? Because one is it's like a subject and the predicate. So there must be this adjective. One is the noun, other is the adjective. The pronoun behaves like an adjective here. So therefore must be of same gender. Right? And because it's an adjective, therefore vibhakti, that is, therefore Vachanam also must be same, vibhakti also must be same. Okay, next person. Priyaji, you can read the sentences.
Yes, Ji. Ime Shishyaha.
Yes.
Ime Hastaha. Ime Alayaha. Ime Acharyaha.
You understand the meaning of these sentences, right?
These
Shishyaha.
are students.
Yeah.
Hastaha. I'm not
Hasta
sure.
means hand.
Hands.
These are hands.
And that one is temple. Yeah.
Alaya
These
is
are
temple.
Alayaha temple. Acharyaha teacher. These are teachers.
These are teachers. Ime acharyaha. These are teachers. Okay, next person. Jyotiji, you can read the next one. Usage of the word ete. Ete is etad shabda. Pratama vibhakti, Bhagavachanam, meaning these. But what is the difference between idam and etad? Can anyone say the difference?
It is close to you.
Yeah.
Ethat is very close.
Ethat is very
And
close to
idam
you.
is
Close. Right? One is very close. Etad is very close. Idam is close. Okay. You can do read it, Jyotiji. Can you hear me?
Ete
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah. Please read.
Ete balakaha.
Good.
Ete gardabhaha. Ete ajaha. Ete simhaha.
Meanings are simple. Ete, these are boys. Gardaba, what is Gardaba?
Donkey.
Donkey. Gardaba is donkey. Aja is goat. Simha is lion. So, ete balakaha, ete gardabaha. You can note the meaning of the words also. Slowly you can develop your vocabulary. Then, chitrani drishtva ekavachanani dvivachanani bhagavachanani cha padani likhata. You need to write the singular, dual and plural of the words, seeing the chitra, seeing the picture. Kausalyaji, you can read.
एषः कृषकः एतौ कृषकौ एते कृषकाः.
Good. Next, can read the next one also.
Okay. अयं ऋषभः इमौ ऋषभौ इमे ऋषभाः.
So we are using the words both Yeshaha and Ayam. Next person. Rambabuji, you can read.
एषः बल्लूकः
Then
एषौ
Etau.
एतौ बल्लूकौ एते बल्लूकाः.
Good. So you have to fill in the blank with the correct pronoun. Next person, Lataji.
एषः मण्डूकः
Mandukah.
मण्डूकः एषौ मण्डूकौ
Etau.
एतौ मण्डूकौ
Ete.
एते मण्डूकाः.
Yeah. So the common mistake what we do is saying Eshau, not Eshau, Etau. Remember the Shabda. Jai Shri Ji, next one.
एतौ. Okay.
Jai Shri Ji, next one you can do. Please do it quickly. We don't have time.
Sorry, Guruji, next class I'll do. Didn't register this.
Okay, Manohar Ji can do the next one. Manohar Ji, next one. Okay. Then
Yeah, Guruji, just now I unmuted. Eshah kapotah. Oh, Imau. Imau, 1 minute. Yeah.
Ayam kapotaha.
Yeah,
You have used ayam.
Yeah, I am kapotah. Imau kapotau. Ime kapotah.
Good. Ime kapotaha. Next person.
I'll do the other one also.
Please do.
Eshah paryankah. Etau paryankau. Ete paryankah.
Good. Next person. Nalini Ji, you can do the next one. You can quickly unmute and read. Yeah.
अयं काकः इमौ काकौ इमे काकाः.
Okay. Next person. Shruti Ji.
एषः शौचिकः एतौ शौचिकौ
Sauchikau.
एते शौचिकाः.
Sauchika, not show. It is sau.
शौचिकाः.
Next person. Priya Ji.
Yes, Ji. एषः वृषभः एतौ वृषभौ एते वृषभाः.
Okay, good. So we'll stop here. Okay, today we started late and don't have time. We'll stop here. We will continue. We'll continue in the next class.
Dhanyawad, Guruji.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vishishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.